Alright, headed to the lighthouse here. Visibility isn't the greatest. It's about the same on the main roads. Heading west on 20 past Chesterton was pretty much whiteout conditions at times, depending on the snow squalls that were coming through. I would not want to be on the highway. So we'll get out here with the drone. Keep the flights nice and short. Cannot see anything out here, so it'll be interesting to see what we can see. And I'm actually the only one here. Not everybody wants to come out to the beach today. I'm surprised. Come on, it's beach weather. See a little bit of the lake. Well, that's a lot of shelf ice out there now. Wind isn't too bad. It's not moving the truck around much at all. So at least we can see the lighthouse from here. The mountains of shelf ice. We're going to grab the drone and get the batteries warmed up and see how long it goes before the camera starts to freeze, literally.